For this topic, we're going to be discussing the Bill of Rights. What are they? So, the Bill of Rights can be found in the Constitution, which is going to be in the first portion of it. So, there are a ton of rights that we are given, but we're going to be focusing on the first 10, and that's what's going to be discussed in your podcast. What do the rights do? So, due to the fact that you'll be going over it, we're going to discuss about what they do and not what they are. So they protect us. These rights we're given, we can exercise these rights in order to have some power that the government has given us. And then there's a difference between laws, which restricts us in some ways, but ultimately these rights are for us to exercise and to have power and have freedom. But there are guidelines. Making the wrong moves in expressing and exercising these rights could hurt us potentially. You could think of them as rules. And some rules, if you go too far, you could, end up in some sticky situations and have some consequences. In the government, you can end up in jail. So think about it like that. And ultimately, after going over the Bill of Rights in the Constitution and thinking about all the rights we're given and that we can exercise, what do you think about that? What are your thoughts about it? And what would you want changed, added, modified in these rights?